Alright everybody, so 92 Toyota pickup. Fuel pump wasn't turning on, so I ripped the bed off instead of dropping the tank, and I replaced the fuel pump, which is in here. To get the bed off, it's 8 screws, 17s, 8 bolts rather, 17s, and then you have to disconnect the taillights and bulbs up top of the license plate. You can just have them sitting out. So your fuel pump's in here. It's just these 8 screws. Be careful with those. 2 of mine are so worn, but an 8mm. Pulled those, replaced the fuel pump, and nothing. So replaced the fuel filter, just for shits, nothing. You could hear it when you turn the key, nothing was happening. So another good trick for these older Toyotas is under the floorboard. Yeah, my truck's a mess, I know. Under the passenger side seat, rip the carpet up, and there's a wire harness. And this is overlooked a lot. I got this truck for $600, and the reason was because he couldn't figure out how to get the fuel pump on. We actually hot wired a wire right from the pump to the battery, and we were using a toggle switch. But this blue wire right here can cause a lot of problems if you know, it's wet or rats got to it or anything. So this was burnt when I pulled it, so I cut the wire and just kind of jimmied it together, and still no fuel pump. Couldn't figure it out. And I feel like an idiot, but after a tow and $150 and a lot of hours in work, there's a 15A fuse right here. Right there. That one right there. So if your car dies on the side of the road, don't replace your fuel pump. Look at your fuses. Don't be like me. I swear I pulled that thing 10 times. I just pulled it again and realized it was burnt. I was using a voltmeter to check all the fuses, and I don't know if I overlooked it. I think I pulled that puppy. I think that's the first thing that I did, but I must have just been stressed and rushed. So yeah, I made this video so nobody else makes the same mistake that I did. Yeah, have a good day.